We are the sun that rises. No compromises. For us, healthy is not just a trend. It is our weekday. It is our weekend. But health at the cost of taste? A question rises. Not for us, for we make no compromises. The India of today makes no compromises on health or taste. And that is why it chooses US cranberries. US cranberries, the taste of health.
Hi guys, welcome to Soulful Sundays with Sunaina. I'm Soulina Rekhi and this is Myra,
Hi.
my 12-year-old daughter. And today we are going to show you what we eat for breakfast. What do we eat for breakfast, Samara?
Smoothies, fruits.
Smoothies, fruits, and today we are making a berry bowl. Alright, so what all do we have? We have our mueslis. Alright,
Strawberries.
of course, bananas, yogurt, dates to sweeten the smoothie, grapes which I've cut into halves,
Bananas.
and chia seeds. Alright, so what are we going to do? In the mixie. Everything in the mixie. So let's take the yogurt. This is about 1.5, not tins, cartons of yogurt, whatever. Those packs. Okay, and in this I'm putting all the strawberries because we're making strawberry yogurt. A lot of people.
We're making a strawberry berry bowl.
Strawberry berry bowl, a very healthy berry bowl. Okay,
No sugar.
now this. Oh no, not no sugar. We have dates. We forgot the dates.
No, you said it.
But we have to put the dates in. And so, take out the seed, please. So I'm going to put about 10 dates because these are not so big also.
And don't put the seed.
I love dates. I think they're a great snack as well. Whenever I'm traveling, I'll keep like a box of dates with me. Anytime, low blood sugar, any sugar problem, have dates. Okay, are you ready? So a lot of people like Greek yogurt as well, where the yogurt is heavier, and you can always strain the yogurt and make it
I love Greek
heavy.
yogurt.
And here's the mixie. Alright, so now do you want to see the yummy Samara? Look at this. Oh my god. Ooh, 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 ooh. All the dates. I actually enjoy pieces of the dates like I'm eating the berry bowl. I don't want to be like just sipping it. This is a little watery. If you want to make it less watery, you can make it with Greek yogurt. And now see what we are going to do. We will use a little bit of the muesli. And it's got cranberries and pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds and watermelon and melon seeds. So it's got a lot of stuff happening here. Then, Samara, do you want to put almonds and cranberries and all? Or no? Do you want to put this?
I don't want.
Okay, so otherwise we also put this, which is also
I'm not
great.
feeling it today.
Yeah, it's got black. Okay, let's put a few black raisins. Just a few.
We can put raisins, but I don't.
Just a few. I enjoy my
Yeah.
the dehydrated raisins. Okay, and then we put the bananas. They're all sinking in. Here we've used 2 bananas because it's a lot of yogurt.
And banana just makes them look better.
And then grapes. We are fruit babies. We've always been. Wait and see when the mango season comes. It's going to go
We have a
mad.
dozen a day.
Should we put all the grapes?
Put all of them.
Put it all.
Put all of them.
And then we have chia seed. This is like a super healthy bowl, but it is so yum. Samantha is whispering now that name.
Strawberry bowl.
It's looking like a full-on pudding. Now we put this in the fridge for a little bit. So here I'm drizzling some honey because when I tasted the berry bowl, it wasn't that sweet. And honestly, a berry bowl should be a little sweet. And there it is, the honeyness of life. The yummiest berry bowl ever made.
It's good.
Yum. Actually, it's sweet enough. But guys, if you want more sweetness, add more honey or more dates. So thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Make this at home for you and your family. This is a full family meal.
Yeah.
Thank you, Samara, for being in the video.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.